Hi, this is Craig and Celeste with Sulcata Grove. We're on location in North Carolina. We're actually on vacation, but we brought some bananas with us. And we're going to do a little taste comparison here between the two different types of bananas that are referred to as ice cream. So we have Namwa and the Blue Java. And there's a couple ways to tell them apart. One of the easiest ways is when the fruit is unripe. The Blue Java actually has a bluish tinge to it on the tree. Another way, because I believe they're in different subgroups. Yeah. Is that right? If you look here, I'm going to try to see if I come up here, you can see a little better. So if you look here, the difference in where the bananas come together and connect to the raceme here. The Blue Java, it's got kind of like knuckles here where these are separated, and whereas in the Namwa, this is all fused together. That's another easy way to tell them apart. When you have ripe fruit.
And even when they're unripe, that's the way you can tell before they're ripe.
That way.
Because the Blue Javas here in Florida, at least, will start out green right when the fruit comes out. So a lot of times people are like, oh no, I got the wrong one. But you can look and tell from that part.
So anyway, we're also going to taste these. The Namwas are fully ripe. These Blue Javas only got one that looks...
You want to eat these before it's too late, though. That's why most people don't like the Blue Javas. They wait too long. Oh, you can see the color difference. Yes.
On the inside, white and fluffy looking.
And these are white too, but they're not as fluffy looking.
So
it's definitely like a front. Here, we go up closer. And you opened yours from the other end. That's why.
Well, because it was hard to. All right, if you want to try, you can actually just bite it there. Well, it's definitely got some of the subacid, a little bit of tart, appley flavor to it. A little bit denser than a grocery store banana. To me, it tastes a little bit like a not all the way ripe grocery store banana.
Maybe. It's a little fluffy and creamy.
Okay. Definitely the Blue Java has a fluffier texture. The Namwa is much denser. Now, I like a denser banana.
But to me, the flavor of the Namwa is just kind of... There's no banana flavor to me in a Namwa.
Right. It's sweet, though. It's sweeter than the Blue Java. I don't think either one of these is at absolute peak ripeness. They've got that... Even the grocery store banana, if you eat it when it's still got a little bit of green to it, it's got that... starchy, almost in a little bit of an astringent tang to it. Yeah, coach tongue thing. And these both have that a little bit. But...
Valerie, you want to come try both these? Let us know your opinion. You can squeeze in the middle if you want to. So this is a Blue Java. Now sit down. Give us your expert opinion. And then this is a Namwa from your garden.
I like this one better because it tastes better.
Why is it? What tastes better about it?
That one's like, tastes liquidy.
When these get overripe, they get super liquidy. They kind of break down.
That's how it tastes.
Tastes liquidy.
It's just what it does on your tongue. It kind of flattens out when it goes in your mouth.
I know, it tastes weird.
Well, it's also less dense than the Namwa. I like the Namwa better too. Yeah. It's just because it's sweeter. Yeah. And it's denser. I like both of those.
The flavor of the Blue Java better though. But the Namwa is just kind of plain.
I couldn't tell the taste because it was melting too much.
I'm gonna try another Namwa. We've been opening bananas wrong all this time.
You can open them any way you like.
I got one little piece of skin stuck there. That's why Courtney doesn't like Namwa bananas. Peel sticking.
You've been peeling them wrong too.
This one tastes riper than the last one.
Yeah, it's good to me. Like a Namwa is sweet.
Yeah.
It's a sweet, firm banana, but there's no banana flavor in it to me. Like
Well-
you don't taste like banana flavored candy.
The Blue Java is just very much
Well,
more
it's not
melting in
candy.
texture. It's not liquidy, but it certainly is a much more melting texture versus a denser Namwa. But to me, the Namwa, even though it's not super like banana-y flavored, it's sweeter. And
But if I were gonna use one in a smoothie, I'd rather have Blue Java. Or if I were gonna make like banana ice cream,
you know,
where this is more just a eating banana to me. I mean, I know you can do other stuff with
Yeah.
it, but it's just kind of plain.
I agree with all that. I mean,
Well, that's from yours.
flavor-wise, neither one of them says banana. You know, if you
Yeah.
made an extract of it and just taste the
Right.
flavor, you wouldn't say, "Ooh, that's definitely banana extract,"
Right.
kind of a thing. So they're both kind of a weaker flavor banana, but
The Namwa's the weakest flavor to me.
honestly, I would say the
Oh.
opposite.
Okay.
I would say that it's, well, I guess the sweetness to me is the flavor that it
Okay.
has, and it has a denser texture, which I also prefer.
Yeah.
So
And they're good longer.
if you liquefied one of each of these
You smoothie
in a
them.
little bit of milk or something to smoothie them out, I'm not sure you could tell much of a difference.
Yeah.
But that's true of probably 90% of bananas. That if you once
Yeah.
you smoothied them, it'd be really hard to tell them apart because a lot of the difference is in texture.
I don't think either one of these would be my favorite as a frozen banana either.
No, well, you got
That's a
stuff like
chocolate
Sabas
covered
out there
one.
that are
Yeah.
really good frozen.
Or spoiled.
Yeah, but both decent bananas. Both very easy to grow.
Most people prefer a Namwa banana. I think because it's good, a little underripe, ripe, and a little overripe. Where these, when they get
Yeah,
overripe,
these are
they
more
just
finicky.
they break down.
Yeah,
A lot of
so the
breakdown.
Blue Javas. Another thing about growing Blue Javas is that they pup prolifically. If you looking for a banana that's going to put off a lot of pups, Blue Java does
And it's cold
a
hardy.
lot.
Namwa is too. They both seem
Yeah.
pretty cold hardy.
But anyway, these are both sold as ice cream banana. There's actually no such thing just as ice cream banana. It's usually one of these two varieties, or maybe a few others as well now. But technically, these are the two that are
Sold as
sold
ice
as
cream in
ice
Florida.
cream. And they're both are good bananas. There's nothing wrong with either one of them, and we grow both of them. So,
And we'll keep growing
Yeah.
both of them.
but anyway, so that's it. If you've tried both of these and have some comments, we'd love to hear what you think about them. But that's what we think. So, thanks for watching.
Bye.